I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Sorento's oil. First, gather your tools and supplies. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts, and a new oil filter. Always work on a level surface and consider wearing gloves for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now let's drain the old oil. It's a good idea to run your engine for a few minutes beforehand. Warm oil drains more completely. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it about 1/4 to 1/2 turn more with the wrench. Reinsert and tighten the drain plug securely. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, typically around 6 quarts for a Kia Sorento. After adding, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off and recheck the dipstick. Top off if needed and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.